Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of our discussion is classic car insurance. Although new car depreciate quickly, antiquity, classic and exotic vehicles can increase in value over time. Classic car insurance. Classic car insurance lets you negotiate an automobile's value with the insurer, following a covered loss. This type of insurance can help following a covered loss pay the high cost of specialized repairs or restoration. The next point that is given, rental car reimbursement. If your car is damaged in a covered accident, rental car reimbursement coverage can help pay the cost of a rental car while yours is in the shop. Pay the cost of a rental car while yours is in the shop. However, if the other driver is at fault, that driver may offer you rental car coverage. Means that driver should be offer you and your car for rental car coverage. The next point that is given, custom parts and equipment. Let's discuss in detail this point. Firstly, typically standard auto insurance policies do not cover cosmetic modifications or equipment you have added. Means if you add some cosmetic or modifications or equipment, standard auto insurance not cover these two things, which include cosmetic modification and second is any cosmetic equipment such as custom wheels or a navigation system. Means two systems are also available, in which one is custom wheels and the second is navigation system. Custom parts and equipment coverage helps pay the cost of restoring your customization following a covered loss. Try the FT for just $1. The next point that is given here is rideshare or delivery driver coverage. Means you can say rideshare or you can also say delivery driver coverage. Let's discuss in detail the topic, the point that have two names also. If you drive for a transportation or delivery company, means you are not drive for your personal, but you are driver of transportation of a local or delivery a company, means a company driver. This coverage can help protect you and your automobile when the company's insurance does not cover you. Mean in this case, if accident occur to you, if company insurance does not provide you any help, the coverage provide you help. For example, while waiting for your next passenger or order. The next point that is given, roadside assistance. When you break down, roadside assistance coverage can help pay for flat tire changes, fuel delivery, locksmith service, and towing. Means if an injury or an accident occur to you, roadside assistance provides some different things in which include first including flat tire changes, second fuel delivery, third locksmith service, and the last one is towing. I hope you understand the video.